Hi guys, it's Michelle again, and today I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about some of the information that came out of the White House over the last couple of days about people visiting the town hall forums who are in opposition to the current healthcare debate that's taking place in Washington. Many senators are bringing the fight home now, and they want to try to convince us why this is such a wonderful thing that they have planned for us. And of course, there are many, like me, who completely disagree with the way they are going about it. I'd like to state right off the bat, that doesn't mean I'm against healthcare reform. I think it's ridiculous that people keep trying to insinuate that you're either behind Obama or you're completely against anything else. That's far too black and white for any kind of real-world application. So I know one of the things that President Obama always likes to bring up in his talking points is the mess that he inherited from the previous administration. So one of my talking points today is one of the things that he apparently didn't inherit from the previous administration was the ability to hear differing opinions or dissent or criticism from the other side and kind of slough it off or take it or even accept it and listen to it. Even though President Bush completely disagreed with Cindy Sheehan's stance on the war, he didn't dismiss her as crazy or a lunatic or someone who should be placed on a watch list. He respected her point of view and as much as said so. He understood she was in pain. He understood that she was entitled to her point of view, and he even met with her and spoke to her, rather than dismissing her as some left-wing lunatic. I don't think MoveOn.org or members of ACORN or the Black Panthers, I'm pretty sure none of those people were ever asked to be turned in by their friends and neighbors. I'm pretty sure none of them are on a watch list. I'm pretty sure that the government doesn't really care too much what they're doing. However, weirdly, they care what housewives and mothers and families who are opposed to health care, they want to put us into some kind of violent, crazy, angry mob category. Well, I would agree that we are angry. I would disagree that we're a mob. People are angry. People have things that they want to say. People are speaking out at these meetings because they're sick and tired of being told the same talking points over and over and over. That's not debate. They want to shove this stuff down our throat, and then they want to be bent out of shape when we're mad about it. Well, you can't have it both ways. We have an opinion. And for a president who campaigned on bringing all sides together and hope and change, it seems like there's no hope and all change for anyone who isn't a liberal. Anyone who can see another way. And please stop perpetuating the rumor that there are no alternative plans. There are plenty of alternative plans. There are plenty of other ways that true reform and not a remaking of America could take place and make our healthcare system better. So, classify me as a right-wing extremist. Classify me as part of an angry mob. Classify me any way that it satisfies you to classify me. But understand, I will not give up my fight on this. It is too important to the future of our country that we take a stand and make sure that everybody knows what's really in this bill. And please stop telling us we're mischaracterizing what has been said. What's been said is what's been said. You say one thing, this administration says one thing in front of one group of people and another thing in front of another group of people. That doesn't mean that you've been mischaracterized. That just means that you say different things to different people depending on what they want to hear. So, you might think about actually practicing a little bit of George Bush's policies and listening to your opposition and taking a little bit of criticism and realizing that there are alternatives to a complete takeover of the healthcare system. Why must we continually sacrifice the most for the few? That seems to be the policy of this current administration. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't ever give up the fight. We're going to keep trying to get this thing taken care of so that they don't remake America into something that she's not. Thanks. Have a great day.